Hello, Honors Physics students. This is Mr. Grunbeck. I'm going to show you how to set up the series circuit for this series circuit lab in the Phet Sims DC Virtual Lab. So what we're going to do is the first thing we need is we're going to need a battery. So I'm going to put my battery over here, and I'm going to orient this just like the picture on the lab. And then we're going to have a wire going up. A little short piece of wire, then another piece of wire going across. Now what's not shown in the picture is that we need a couple ammeters. Ammeters measure current, so we're going to have to put those in series with the resistors we're going to have. So now there's a resistor right here, and it says on the sheet that it should be 5 ohms. So since I have a PC, I'm going to right click. Not going to right click. I'm going to left click on it. Sorry, and I'm going to change it to 5 ohms because that's what it says it should be. So that's 5 ohms. And you notice how the color coding on that resistor changed at the same time. Then I'm going to put in another piece of wire, and then we're going to go down. Another piece of wire, go down here. And let's put in another ammeter here to measure the current through that resistor, or no, through the next resistor. Then we're going to have another resistor, put that right there, and this resistor, let's neat this up a little bit, doesn't really matter. Okay, this resistor they said should be 3 ohms. So change this down to 3 ohms. That's a left click. And then another piece of wire. And then we're going to put in another ammeter. Then the third resistor, which they say is supposed to be 4 ohms. So 4 ohms. So there we go. So we have our 3 resistors, and let's put another ammeter next to the battery, just so we know what the current at the battery is. So straighten this up a little bit, shorten that. Neatness counts, no, it doesn't. And then I'll put in another piece of wire. Okay, and we'll notice we have some current going. The one thing we didn't do yet is change our battery to 12 volts. So 12 volts. Okay. So then, and this resistor, let's just check the resistance is 4 ohms. This resistor here is 3 ohms, and then the one at the top, 5 ohms. And there you go. So that's it. So that's the series circuit for the series circuit lab.